Hello friends, today I have taken a trade. So we'll first see that how the trend was, okay, previous days, right? So we can see that if we see in a daily chart, in this daily chart we can see what that the market has gone up to this level, right? Right? But the problem was that the market was not able to see. If you see the trend over here, market has made this high, again market has made this low, right? This was a lower high. Again the market has made lower low. And again lower high was made over here. Here the confirmation was done that the market is going to go down, right? But what has happened, if you see on this particular day, on 9th March, so what has happened on 9th March, that the market, on 8th March, what has happened, that the market has gapped down and again the market has gone up, showing the sign of strength, right? But what has happened on the 9th, but see, it has shown the signs of strength, but still it's not, market is not in the positive trend as the previous high is not crossed on a daily time basis. But here there is a sign of strength. So on 9th March, what has happened? Market has again fallen. You can see a fall over here. It tried to pull back, but it has not sustained and it has again moved down, right? Casting a bearish close, right? And it has also gone below. I think it has gone a little bit. Yeah, it has closed below yesterday low, right? So this has confirmed that the market was in bearish trade. But again, what happened yesterday on 10th? The market gapped down, right? The market gapped down. And after such a huge gap down, I was expecting a down move, continuation of a down move, right? But what has happened? Market came down and again it reverted, right? Reverted and the closing was also not that bearish, right? So the move was not clear whether the market is going to go down or up. So it was in sort of a dilemma. What has happened again today? Market has gapped up. Sorry, not gapped up. Market has opened high, opened, it moved high, but the higher level was not sustained. You can see a rejection from here, right? So what we did after we had seen rejection from this point, so I was having a view. See, if the market has uh, open, market has said somewhat open about nearly about 17,428. Okay, it has taken support and has moved 17,300 has moved higher. So if the market has moved higher, so if there is any pullback, it should not be such a deep pullback, right? But the pullback was a bit deeper. So now it created a dilemma that whether the market is bullish or bearish. So because of such a deep pullback, I had the view that the market is going to go down, right? Now what has happened? Again, market tried to go up over here, but again you see a rejection from here. So what is happening? That the market is the buyers are trying to pull the market, but the market is coming down. So it is showing the sign of bearishness, right? Now I'm waiting for a proper candle so that I can initiate a trade, right? See, again what has happened? Market has came down over here. Again a very big candle was made and it got rejected, right? So this somewhat confirmed that there is a very huge seller. The buyer are not that strong that is going to move. So now I will look for a selling opportunity, right? If you see the other candles, right? So this candle has confirmed that the selling. But what has happened? The candle is very big. The stop loss will be very big. Okay. So I will look for some revert candle. If it reverts and again get rejected, if the candle is small, okay, then I can initiate that. Right. I'll be looking for that. But what will happen? In the next candle, you see it has gone down and again came up. Right. I would have sorted over here. But why I have not sorted? I'll tell you the reason. If you see in the future, if you see in the future, this is that candle, right? At 10:30 candle. See, the volume has grown very high. The volume has grown. Means what? Here, the buyer are somewhat present over here. So, in such cases, what happen? I'll wait for this low to be broken to initiate a trade. That will be a very high probability trade, right? So, again, I have not initiated a trade. Once this low was broken, right? over here, this candle, just low was broken, I initiated a trade. You can see that I initiated a trade and the trade was taken at 11,158, right? 127.7. 11,158. Uh, see, in this candle. In this candle, the trade was taken at 127 over here, sir, right? But what has happened? My target was 1 is to 3. So the market has gone up to, so my target was 157, right? So market gone to 150. In this candle, if you watch, the market has gone 157. It has crossed 158, but I was not able to book the profit. When again it came to 157, somewhere over here, I booked the profit. But what has happened? While booking the profit, my profit got booked at 156. So I was I booked 1450 rupees, not 1500 rupees. Okay, but my target was 1500. But when I executed a trade, it was not that. It has not happened, and there is a and today also today what I was noticing that there was a huge fluctuation in option price. The option price was moving very fast, right? So that I was noticing today. So after this, you see that there was a very good fall over here, and I have shorted over here, and I had booked my profit somewhere over here in this candle, right? And as I booked the profit, you can see again there was a further fall down. Now, if you watch now, the market has broken all the swing lows, right? So now the market has confirmed that market is in downtrend, right? For some days it's going to be downtrend. The reason is that you can see the last swing low of 17,255 is broken over here. So you can see a momentum swing, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, again lower high, again lower. So even if we get any pullback, that pullback need to be sold, right? So this was my today. See, the main thing here, what I find difficult, getting the trade is somewhat you can get the trade, okay, but the right thing in option buying is to at what point you need to enter, right? Because see, if we see as per the logic, right, as per the logic or as per the you can as per the logic you can enter over here. This is a very good point to enter. But if you enter over here, this is 14, 17,435, and here it is 17,452. Your stop loss will be triggered, right? But this was a very good trade. You could have entered over here. But in spite of the right direction, your stop loss will get triggered. So it is very important to get one more confirmation, right? Further confirmation. As I told that the volume here was very high. So once it is broken, you can take a with 10 point stop loss, right? Thank you. If you this I made the video after a long time because I told that I was on leave, right? So if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. And if you want any further improvement, kindly comment